This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the passenger's glove box, then remove the 3 upper Torx screws. Remove the 3 lower Torx screws and withdraw the glove box from the fascia. Disconnect the wiring plug as the glove box is removed. Prise up the centre pin. Pull out the plastic expansion rivet, then remove the footwell air duct. Undo the 2 screws and remove the filter access cover. Pull the filter element from place, then remove any dirt and debris. Slide the new element into the housing, with the airflow arrows on the edge of the filter pointing back into the vehicle. Refit the access cover and securely tighten the screws. Manoeuvre the air duct into place. Insert the plastic expansion rivet, then press in the centre pin to secure it. Reconnect the wiring plug, then slide the glove box into place. Refit and tighten the upper and lower Torx screws.